Right, council engagements. Tina.
Worship, just a couple of changes to note. So the long-term plan workshops on the 7th and 9th, the location's going to be changing to Hugh Street above Jet, so we'll be able to try out our new council chambers. Also, in addition, on Monday, the 13th from 2 to 3, we've got the webinar in terms of the Remuneration Authority, and I thought after that it might follow on the paper, the discussion paper that we talked about a couple of months ago that the Rem Authority asked for input on, so those two logically follow each other. The 20th, Monday the 20th, is our extraordinary meeting regarding Maori representation, and following that a workshop on waste minimisation. And then on the 30th of November is the Turangi Reserve Management Plan Committee meeting. So they're the changes to the engagements, quite a full list for November. And then we've got some appointments and representatives to go to the Zone 2 meeting in Kawerau.
Okay, thanks, Tim.
Can I just clarify, please, Tina, the workshop long-term plan on Tuesday and Thursday? I just got an email today about Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday?
Yeah.
7th to the 9th.
It is, there is one.
3 days.
It's the 3 days.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure it was.
There's a potential we may not need all 3 days. That might be finished earlier than that. But at this stage, we've put aside those 3.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, Kawerau. Zone 2, that's tomorrow, is it?
3rd of November. Yep.
Friday,
Friday.
sorry. 3rd of November, any volunteers to go to Kawerau? I did get a bit of a rack up, I must admit, the last regional mural forum that our attendance was pretty light on those Zone 2 meetings. So if anyone can make themselves available, would be much appreciated.
I'm just through the chair, but Roseanne was...
Yeah, I went to the last one.
It was 2 days. You went to all of it, did you?
Yeah, well, half of one of them I didn't go to, but the other, most of it I did, yeah. Yes, it's about
Possibly
rich.
say something next time you're there?
I generally do.
Yeah, I think just in general over the last the last meeting times we have been, and I'm probably most at fault because of that. These should be here, so yeah, anyway, can just take that into consideration, but still didn't get the volunteers, did we?
How long does it take to get to Kawerau?
Do you go to the forestry road?
No.
So it's Rotorua and then across, so you're probably looking at about an hour and a bit,
Oxy?
hour and 20 from here.
Yeah.
It's an hour and a half from Turangi to Rotorua.
So you're looking at probably just under 2 hours.
2 hours.
I think you better be careful, Mr. Chairman, talking about the Rotorua, Taupo Rotorua. I did it a couple of days ago, or again today, in the hour, but a couple of days ago, it took an hour and a half. So
Yeah, you'll take your time to get it.
There's lots of roadworks.
I can ride it in 2 hours at the end.
Here we go. How about you, Kevin? How long could you ride it? All right. Okay. No one there just at the moment. Anyone wants to has a rush of blood? Wants to go? Let me know. Let us know.
Just a question to the chair. How much advance notice do we get of what's on the agenda? Because, I mean, the Rotorua one was worth going to talk to people, but the agenda was really light.
So we've only just received a very draft agenda, but it's got big gaps in it and they haven't filled those gaps yet. And I think it might be unusual because of the change in government and things that they've been able to secure, speakers, but yeah, they're not, the agendas aren't forthcoming that early.
No, because that makes it difficult. And then, we've all got portfolios of interest in areas we're interested in, and if we know then we might be able to plan, but a couple of days' notice with a vague agenda makes it difficult, to be fair to us.
It's a bit more than a couple of days, isn't it?
I'm not sure, I don't receive the agendas, so
I do.
We received it this week.
This week, yeah.
Last week.
yeah.
Anyway,
Okay, all right, appointments. The Fred Committee. What have we got, one vacancy?
One
Yes.
vacancy, yeah.
Yeah.
I would move Councillor Stewart.
Second that.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome back.
Are you happy to accept him? Yeah.
His name will tell him Matilda's
More
coming.
experience.
All right,
Sometimes.
and Audit and Risk Committee.
So the Audit and Risk Committee needs to be either a member of the award member for Mangakino-Pouakani or Turangi-Tongariro.
So,
I nominate Maggie.
Maggie, you happy
I'll
with
accept.
And then the last one was one that Councillor Body rose before with the
Gambling
gambling.
gambling?
Ad hoc Committee,
Easter.
Easter Trading.
Sorry, John, you're not available
No, I'm
for...
going to be in Hamilton, so I'm quite prepared to move Councillor Stewart as the three-person committee. So the Councillor Williams and Councillor Clark, Councillor Stewart.
Before you had no jobs, now you got three.
That's all right.
All right, is everyone happy with those
Yeah, I think
appointments?
that's
Yeah,
fine.
okay, so there, so we have a move for all those recommendations. Yeah, okay, yeah, sorry, yeah. All right, could I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Truman. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, carried. Thanks, Tina.